Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm going to show you how we can use conditional formatting in Google Sheets mobile app. Let's get started. Here I have created a table and we're going to add conditional formatting to this table. So the first thing we're going to do is selecting the table like this. Right, after that we can click on this button, this A button. Then we can go down until we find conditional formatting, and this is the conditional formatting, and just tap on it. And after that we can create a rule for the conditional formatting. We can choose the format of the cell by clicking on this option, and for me I'm just going to click on text contains and I'm going to put meeting. So if the cell contain meetings, the cell will turn into a format that we set. And for me, I'm just going to click on red color. So if the text contains meeting, the cell will turn into a red cell. And after that, we can click on save to save the rule, and just click on this check mark. And let's practice it, guys. So I'm going to add meeting to this cell. Like this. And right after we add meeting, the cell will turn into a red cell. And let's practice it one more time. Okay guys, and that's how we can use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.